I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs on an Infiniti G35. First, gather your tools, a ratchet, various extensions, and a 5/8-inch spark plug socket. You'll also need 6 new spark plugs and some dielectric grease. Before touching anything, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery for safety. This simple step prevents accidental electrical shorts. Let's get started with the process. Next, you'll need to gain access to the spark plugs. Begin by removing the plastic engine cover. Then, carefully detach the air intake system, including the air box and intake tubes, to clear the workspace. Once the intake is out of the way, locate the 6 ignition coils. Disconnect their electrical connectors and unbolt each coil. Gently pull them out and set them aside, keeping track of their original positions. Now it's time to replace the spark plugs themselves. Using your spark plug socket and extension, carefully remove each old spark plug. Inspect them for wear, which can indicate engine issues. Before installing the new plugs, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads. This prevents them from seizing in the cylinder head. Hand tighten the new plugs, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specification, typically around 18 to 22 foot-pounds. With the new spark plugs in place, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully reinstall the ignition coils, ensuring they click into place, and reconnect their electrical connectors. Then, reattach the air intake system components and secure the engine cover. Finally, reconnect your car's negative battery terminal. Start the engine to confirm everything is running smoothly. Remember to check the description for links to tools, parts, and other great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.